Okay, welcome to another challenge video. Before we get started, I do want to indicate a new skill for you all. Let's say that I create something, like I create a cylinder or something, and I really like this cylinder just the way it is. Now, chances are if I tried to make that exact same cylinder elsewhere, it wouldn't turn out the same. But if you want to have the exact same cylinder, what you can do is you could select the cylinder that you have that you like, and you can hold down Control on the keyboard and press the D key once. So Control and D. And then if I use the W key to move, I can move a copy of that object off the object's like normal position. So this one doesn't have anything if I move it, but if I go Control D and then move it, you'll notice that I generated a copy. Okay? So just wanted to point that out because it will make the next challenge activity a bit easier if you know that. Okay, for the next challenge activity, what I would like you to do is create this shelving unit right over here. Okay, I want you to try to match it as closely as possible. I would like you to use the name's eluding me, the polygon cube tool to generate the backing of it. So it's going to take, different pieces for the sides and the back, but like the sides are equivalent. So you're going to need a duplicate of the sides next to each other, as well as a duplicate of the top and the bottom, and then create a back piecing to it, and then try to create those inner cuts over here. Okay? So if you need to, go ahead and take a snipping or a screenshot of this. And if you've never done that before, on all computers, you can access the snipping tool just by clicking like the Windows button and the word snip, and then you get your snipping tool here. So I could go new, and then you could like take a snip of it, and then you have a copy. So you can kind of keep that off your screen or on your screen while you're putting it together. Okay, so that's your activity challenge for today. Go ahead and generate this cabinet in Maya. Okay, once you got it, let me know, and I'll see you for the next video. Peace.